we saw in this video that we all can jump a little, run a little, skip a little and hop a little. So we can do all of these movements. But can our animal friends do the same? Let's find out. Well, these are our different animal friends who live on land or in water. So who are they? Elephant, crocodile, monkey, lion and giraffe. And all of them can walk and run. But what about this sweet little puppy? Well, over here we can see that dogs can walk, run and also it can jump and leap. So, dogs are usually small. So, they can walk, run, jump and leap. But what about a cow? Well, a cow is bigger than the dog. So, cows can only walk and run. They cannot jump or leap. So, all of these animals who live on land can walk and run, like rhinoceros, cheetah, deer, camel and squirrel. All of them can walk and run. Now, look over here. This is a small rabbit. So, what can a rabbit do? Well, rabbits can leap. See, it is leaping. Now, here comes the great monkeys. Well, monkeys can swing from one branch to another and go to different places. So, here we see monkeys can swing and jump. Not only monkeys, the chimpanzees can also do the same. And all of them live on the trees. Let me ask you something. What do we do when we want a fruit? Well, we walk and go to the plant and pluck the fruit and have it. But what about the monkey? Well, the monkey does very interesting things. It swings from one branch to another, jumps and gets the fruit and has it. Wow, what is this? Well, we can see some animals who live on trees can do some special things. What is that? Well, they can fly. Do you know there is a superhero who can fly just like them? Well, he is the great Superman. So a Superman can fly in the sky just like the birds. See, I am talking about the birds who fly high up in the sky and we all love to see them. So, what is the special thing that birds can do? Well, they can fly and even our superhero Superman can fly just like the birds. But some birds are not so lucky. They are birds but they cannot fly. So who are they? They are the ostrich and the emu. So these birds cannot fly high up in the sky. So I have a question for you. Which of the following birds cannot fly in the sky? Is it option 1 parrot or option 2 crow or option 3 emu? Let me tell you. Most of the birds have light bodies and they can fly high up in the sky. But there are some birds who are heavy and that's why they cannot fly. So one of them is emu. So emu is the correct option. It cannot fly in the sky. Whereas parrots and crow are the wrong option because they can fly. Well, now over here we see some special animals who can live in the water. Just imagine, for example, you love to swim. But can you remain inside water all the time? Not really. But these animals have that special thing with which they can swim in the water. So I am talking about the fish. Now, here we see another superhero. His name is Aquaman. So just like fishes can remain all the time inside water, they can swim around and enjoy themselves. Similarly, Aquaman also remains in water all the time. Well, there are some animals who can crawl. Do you know who are they? Well, they are the spiders. They crawl. See, this is how they crawl and they move from one place to another. Do you know who is he? Well, he is the famous Spider-Man. So just like we saw the spider crawling, in the same way, the Spider-Man also crawls, just like a spider. Well, now we have got an animal who makes wave-like motion and move from one place to another. What is that movement known as? It is known as slithering. And who all slither? The snakes. Snakes move by slithering from one place to another. See, they make wave-like motion. So, we learned today about the different types of movements which are the characteristics of the different animals. So, what did we see? The monkeys can swing. See, he is swinging and jumping from one branch to another. So, monkeys can swing. Birds have the special ability of movement. What is that? Well, they can fly. See, with the help of wings, the birds can fly. Then we have the kangaroos who can leap. See, he is leaping and going from one place to another. So, kangaroos leap. This is a form of movement. Now, what is this? Well, this is a cute deer who is jumping and moving forward. So, deer jumps and moves from one place to another. Now, what about the beautiful things that are inside the water who can live there all the time? Well, they are known as fish. And fish can swim inside the water. See, there are different fishes who are swimming and moving around inside the water. Then we have got the animal which can crawl. And it is known as spider. See, it's crawling with the help of its legs. So, spiders crawl. And here we have got the wave-like motion. What is it? Well, it is slither. So, snakes slither and move from one place to another. So, here my dear kid, we saw that all of these animals have got some special movements, that is flying, crawling, slithering, even remaining in water all the time. So, just like the animals, the superheroes also have these special movements, and that is why we love to see them. So, our animal friends are also like superheroes who have got special movements which help them to move from one place to another. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all the learning resources as per ICC, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. More than 5,000 plus amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social studies. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubt. That's not all. You can also win amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So, At deltastep.com, learning is not only fun and easy but also rewarding. So register for free now.